Today, we will fold a ready-made, heart-shaped wedding favor box. We will fill the box with sugared almonds. Then, we will decorate the box with paper roses. You could place these favors next to each guest's plate, so they can find a little treat on their table, as soon as they get seated. Here are our craft supplies. Let's start by putting all almonds into the organza bag. Close this drawstring bag. Press on the edges of the pre-folded box. Place the organza bag inside the box. Fold the paper tabs over each other, closing this decorative box. We will pull ribbon through the holes on top to secure the box. We are using a thin cotton ribbon, but you could use any other type of ribbon. Tie a simple knot. Before making this knot a double knot, we will add 3 paper roses. You can keep the stems straight, or shape them into coils. Use a round pen to form coils. Place the roses over the first knot, and tie the second knot. Tighten the knot, and make a bow. Trim the ends, using scissors. Rearrange the roses as needed. For more DIY projects, and for professional courses for wedding suppliers, visit www.weddingcraftsacademy.com.